Do you want to start scalping in Forex, but you don't know where to begin? Okay. So in this video, I will show you how to start scalping Forex step by step using our simple method beginners can follow. Okay. So now step one is to choose the right time frame. Or is the right time frame for scalping is either a 1 minute time frame or a 5 minute time frame. Even you can use the sample who use below 1 minute time frame. So choose the right time frame. Now for this case, I'm on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, that's the first step. Or is when you are scalping. So you can choose it on any broker that you are using. Then after that, step two is to add simple indicators. For example, moving average indicators. So now these indicators you are seeing on my chart, they are moving average indicators. So you can choose also the relative strength index, provided it is good for you to use on a 1 minute or a 5 minute time frame. Now, for this case, you are going to use moving average indicators. Okay. So now step number three is to wait for a pullback. For example, if this is our moving averages, or is we have to wait for the pullback of the market to our moving averages. So when it pulls back to our moving averages, we shall see where to enter from. Okay. So now here, for example, now you are seeing the moving average here, or the market now it is above the moving average, right? So now here it is our indication to wait for the market to go above our moving averages and confirming that we are bullish, okay? Planning your trade, guys, okay? So now you can see immediately after entering there, the market has reached our TP. So now step number four is to set the stop loss and the TP, okay? So now you can see here, it is your role to know where to place your stop loss and where to place your take profit, okay? You can place the take profit according to your risk tolerance if you are able to wait for a 1 to 4, a 1 to 3. But all that is done in our planning phase of our scalping strategy, guys. Okay. So now after you have set your TPE, and then here you can now execute your trades. Okay. So now let's wait for another trade to come back to our moving average. So now here, guys, you can see that even this one, it was a scalping opportunity because now the market has gone below our two moving averages, the 9 exponential moving average and the 21 exponential moving average. Okay, so now here you can take a short trade because you are scalping. Okay, there. And after setting them, now you execute a trade according to your risk tolerance. You can see that immediately after entering the market, the TP has been reached. So if you want more simple Forex strategies, okay, like this video, subscribe to Jim FX and check for more videos. Thank you for watching.